I'm going to show you how to color grade and isolate colors in DaVinci Resolve. Now, I already have my clip inside the timeline, but I want the colors to pop. So I'm going to head over to the coloring tab. First, I'm going to show you how to color grade an entire clip. Now, to create a new node, you're going to click Alt-S. And now you should have two nodes. Each node is numbered. You can also tell if there's any color correction that was done to the node just by hovering over the node. So neither has any color correction. Now I'm going to head over to the color wheels. Now there's three different color wheels. There's the RGB mixer, the HDR range, and the color wheels. For the clip I'm doing, I only need the RGB mixer. I want the red to pop out. Now that I got the color grading that I want done, I want to go back to the node. Now if you ever don't want something that you color graded, you change your mind on, simply select the node which the color grading was done to, delete the one that you don't like. Now if you just want to know what the original clip looks like without the color grading, click on the bottom left of the node which you color graded and click on the number. This is what the original footage looks like. This is what it looks like with the color grading. Now I'm going to show you how to isolate colors. Click Alt-S. Now I have three nodes. To isolate nodes, you go to the qualifier tab. That's the one that looks like an eyedropper. Select the first option and you're going to select the picker. Go to the clip preview and pick the color which you want standing out in the clip. So now that I got my color, I'm going to adjust luminance, saturation, and I'm going to change the hue as well. And while you're editing the specific color that you want to change, you can always preview and check what you're changing by going back to the nodes that you're editing and looking at the node itself. It'll tell you what's changing as you're editing. Now in this case, I'm grabbing all the color around the red. I don't want too much, so I'm going to change the saturation again. Now I'm going to go back to RGB mixer. You can also look at the footage itself to see whether it's changing what you want. So in this case, it looks a little too much. I'm going to tone it down. Now you can also preview the clip inside the color tab as well. So you don't have to go back to editing or the cut tab or the media tab to do this. That is how you color grade and isolate colors in DaVinci Resolve.